this feels completely different and just the energy overall of the Jeep brand. So for me, welcome to Domino Park, Brooklyn. Look around. New York City skyline, Williamsburg Bridge, the Statue of Liberty, icons everywhere you look. Today isn't just about introducing a vehicle, it's about welcoming an original back to this iconic brand, the Jeep Cherokee. Now I know, the word icon is thrown around too often. There are literally hippos on TikTok that are considered icons today. What does it mean to be a true icon? Well, it takes more than clicks and online followers. To be iconic, you must stand for something. You've got to be instantly recognizable, culturally relevant, unmistakable. But above all, you must be an original that stands the test of time. The Jeep brand not only fits that description, but wears it like a badge of honor. From the battlefields of World War II to this park alongside the East River today. The Jeep brand has left its legendary mark from shore to shore for decades. Over 80 years ago, American troops airdropped the first Jeep Willys on the beaches of Normandy, giving birth to the original Freedom Machine. That go anywhere, do anything spirit followed the GIs home, and so did Jeep. As their legacy and their families grew, so did ours. So fast forward to 1974, about 50 years ago, we introduced the modern day SUV, the original influencer, the Jeep Cherokee. Needless to say, the Jeep brand has always stood for freedom, adventure, authenticity, and passion. We've led with a spirit of ruggedness, capability that continues to define us, and a fanatical community that drives us. This is a brand that always had one eye on where we've been and a resolute focus on where we're going. By beach or by barge, by any means necessary. While I'm new to the CEO role for Jeep, I'm not new to leading our brand. You have to start by slowing down and listening to what people want, what people love, and build from there. So here's our big moves in just the past 12 months. Last year, on the other side of this bridge, we introduced our first all-electric product from North America, the Wagoneer S. We showed off two icons, Jeep Wrangler and Harrison Ford, at our big game. And we've also brought pricing down across nearly every single Jeep we make in the lineup. And we're rolling out over 40 distinct product actions, new powertrains, special packages, limited edition colors and models, and all new vehicles. It's all part of a $3 billion investment this year alone to make vehicles Jeep people love, to stay true to our heritage while retaining our iconic status. Take Wrangler and Gladiator, for example. They're becoming more personal, more customizable, and even more fun. So the first question you're going to ask, so what about that Heavy? What about that Heavy V8? Jeep fans, don't worry, I got you. It will live in on Wrangler, and it will come to more Jeep nameplates as well. But fun doesn't only have to come from the roar of loud piping. Sometimes the most impressive statements about capability and adventure come in near silence. This November, we'll drop an all-electric, all-stealthy, new Recon, the first trail-ready electric Jeep. Recon will join our industry-leading plug-in hybrids, Wrangler and Grand Cherokee, and the all-electric Wagoneer S, showing off the electrification range of the Jeep brand's multi-energy propulsion strategy. Now that's corporate speak for we've got an engine and a motor for everybody. So here in North America, the bases are loaded with 4 new or refreshed vehicles in the next 4 months. From that, we're going to do Jeep Recon, Grand Wagoneer, Grand Cherokee, and the vehicle you came here to see today. Now that's what I call a 4x4. So let's jump into Jeep Cherokee. A few years ago, the Jeep brand stepped away from the biggest, most competitive segment in North America, the midsize UV. We didn't just forget about the legend that is Jeep Cherokee, we regrouped. We listened, we reimagined. This Cherokee isn't a comeback, it's an evolution. The 2026 Jeep Cherokee is built to deliver everything our loyal fans demand and everything new customers didn't even know they were missing. This new Cherokee means more. More standard equipment, more cargo space, more efficiency and better fuel economy, more capability and adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, don't call it a comeback. All-new 2026 Jeep Cherokee, our first hybrid vehicle for Jeep in North America. No plug, no charging anxiety, just pure adventure. We're talking a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid offering over 500 miles on a single tank of gas. Plus, all the capability that only Jeep brand can deliver, including best-in-class departure and braking for a nationally off-road. And it's built for hell or high water. It water ford up to 20 inches of water. And that's before the Trailhawk even shows up. And it even has an unsurpassed towing of 3,500 pounds, all while delivering a 37 mile per gallon combined and 30% more cargo than the previous Cherokee. All of this for well under $40,000. This is proof. We listened, we delivered, and all new original. Influential before influencing was a thing. Not chasing likes, not chasing culture, just creating what comes naturally. And proving an original never goes out of style. This is a pivotal moment for the Jeep brand. We've had endless product improvements and 4 new vehicles people will love coming in just the next few months, led by the all-new Jeep Cherokee. With its new, efficient, and powerful hybrid system, an incredible 500 miles of range requiring no plug, over 140 safety features, increased cargo capacity, and more standard content. And the type of rugged capability only Jeep can deliver, all for starting under 40 grand. We defined the SUV segment more than 50 years ago, and now we're redefining it with this all-new Cherokee. So thank you guys all so much. Have a great day, and we look forward to speaking with you. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are now welcome to take a closer look at the all-new Jeep Cherokee.